Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. Friends, today we are sharing beautiful Christmas centerpiece ideas to make your holiday table look magical. Start with a simple vase like a wooden tray or a table runner. Place some fresh prints, branches, or artificial greenery to create a natural look. Add pinkons, berry, and small ornaments to make it colorful. For a classical centerpiece, use candles. Place 3 to 5 candles of different heights in the center and swirl around them with greenery and a little gold decoration. When you light the candle, it will give a warm and cozy glow. You can also try a bowl centerpiece. Take a big glass bowl, fill it with shiny ornaments, fairy lights, and even some artificial snow. It's quick, easy, and look very festive. Another idea is to use a cake stand. Arrange small Christmas tree candles and ornaments on it to make a tiled display. Don't forget to add personal touch. You can add red, ribbon, add cinnamon stick, or even place name cards for each guest. And viewers, these centerpieces are simple, kid friendly, and will make your table feel extra special for Christmas. Dinner, try them and enjoy a beautiful holiday season. So friends, I hope you like my videos. So friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my videos. So friends,